We read this one a small bit, not so far. This is also quite soft. And it's very muddy. Oh shit. Holy crap. That was close. It's so slippery. And it's easy to fall in those tracks. Oh, okay. Moose hunting tower. Some crap in the nature. Not fun. Oh, again slippery as hell. There is a hunting cabin, but I think the road is end here. Yep. Can also have been a summer cabin of some sort. Uh-oh. It looks like the beavers have been busy. I think they are about to build some dam. If you like videos like this, then click on subscribe button and the notifications, because I will put out some more videos like this and from my summer vacation. Oh shit! Again this mud. Oh, it's so slippery. My English isn't that good because it's not my native language, and but I try. some dampening material to my boxes, my hard cases. They are rattling a lot. Or I have to buy to the next summer soft bags. There are lots of nice ones on the market. But I try to manage this summer with these hard bags. I don't know how much memory card I have left on my GoPro. I hope that it will last this trip. I will, when I'm driving out to the tarmac, then I will turn off the recording. It's no idea to record tarmac trips. Kind of very nice weather today.